My name is Koen Timmers. I'm a Microsoft Innovative Expert Educator. I'm also a teacher. I teach computer science in a Belgian school. And I'm the founder and owner of zellostudy.be. I'd like to show you how to bring your data to life using Power BI. So, first of all, I created zellostudy.be 15 years ago, and this website is one of the most influential educational websites in Belgium and the Netherlands. My website counts 19,000 and a few active members, which makes it one of the largest educational websites or online schools. This website counts about 60 courses on which people can subscribe, and they can take a course without or with support. I'm also collaborating with some other authors. And what I'd like to do is I have one database in which all these members, 19,000 members or records, are in stored or saved, and I'd like to bring this data to life. All I did was exporting my database as a CSV file, and then I'd like to go to Power BI. All you need to do is go to powerbi.com and sign in. Once you signed in, you can add a file, you can upload a file, which can be an Excel file or whatever you want. So you can hit the button import data, and this is the Dutch version, but you can import data from a file, Excel file, CSV, etc., or from a service, and some services are already included, like Google Analytics, MailChimp, GitHub, etc. So once you imported these files or connected to a service, you will automatically get a data set, and this one is zellostudy.be. Then you can say I'd like to have a bar chart or a line chart or a table. You can add fields, you can hit fields, you can also drag fields, you can change the size of your table. Got to know, let's take it down, etc. Once you're finished, you can also change the layout, the size of the title, the size of the text, the background color, the width, the height, etc. You can add text fields, etc. And once you save this, you will get automatically a report like this one. This is a report containing all the fields I added, and I can take a look at all my data. This report can be pinned on a dashboard, an existing or a new one, and then you will get just one table. I cheated and I added also some other things, but let's start with a new dashboard. Let's pin this one to a new dashboard. Screencast. Okay. And so you will have a blank dashboard with some of these data. Then you can use, and this is where the magic begins, then you can use the Q&A and ask questions to Power BI about your data and start analyzing and visualizing these data. So I'd like to know how many members are in my database, how many members are I'm currently having in my website. So show know how many users, and it will tell me 19,169. This is important, so I will pin this on my existing dashboard. So let's search for how many users. Oh, show countries. So I get a list of all countries, which I will pin on my dashboard. All countries which from I have some members. Then I'd like to know show towns. And these are really a lot. Show towns. This is the interesting part. In my database there's a column header which is called town, and I'm searching for towns. So Power BI automatically will know which data to show. I'd like to show these on a map. This is really awesome. It will show me all my members from the precise towns in a map. With the slicer tool, I can make this show all male members on a map. Show all members with an age of 30, between 30 and 40. So this is really truly interesting. Sorry. Then I'd like to show my members. Show members where sex, and it will show me in my database there are male and women. So man, women, man, vrouw in Dutch. And when I go to my other dashboard where I already pinned some things, I'm showing my towns on a map. I'm showing my my countries. I can see that Belgium and the Netherlands are the ones with the most members, having the most members, and then the male and the women. Lots of male, and I think this is twice or 3 times the amount of males, and some people who didn't filled in their sex. And this is what Power BI makes this interesting. If you don't know how to phrase your query, you can use this in the sidebar, this thing, show country, so fields. You can just hit or drag. You can choose the bar chart or the line chart. When you are in this one, you can change to a line chart, you can change to whatever you want, a pie chart. You can add other fields. So you can do it in many ways. You can use the Q&A, and you can use the sidebar and adding fields or other visualizations as you want. Thank you.